Hi, what's up, stoners? Welcome to the local band Smokeout.
Hello, this is Jenny from Renegade Angel, and you're watching local band Smokeout.
Alright, what's up guys? Welcome to another local band Smokeout. I'm your host, is Higher the Most BG. Checking out heavy metal band Katatonia. This one's called Birds. They're out of Sweden. Facebook.com/Katatonia. Please go there, hit the like button, the follow button, and support them. And if you end up enjoying this reaction video, kindly consider clicking the subscribe button for me. I would appreciate it. Target if you got it. This is Birds from Katatonia. I don't think I'm too familiar with this band. Doesn't sound familiar. There's a lot of cool, like, there's like almost like a synthy white noise in the background and like a simple piano or something way in the distance. This is cool. It's got like a cool like dissonance to it on the guitar that has it like kind of ringing out way in the background. I thought the hook was cool. Obviously a reference to Phoenix. I've never heard anything from this band before. This is pretty sweet. It's a cool chill rock song. It kind of has like a 90s hard rock style vocal. What do those numbers mean? He's calling out like just weird random numbers right there.
Shut down my mind. It's the heart, brave enough.
not really sure who they remind me of. Pretty solid rock song, though. Katatonia with Birds out of Sweden. There's a little bit more in the video. Did we miss anything? Oh, no, it's just Napalm doing their ending thing. So, yeah. At Katatonia on Facebook, I'm going to go 8.9 out of 10 on that one. The song grew with me the more I listened to it. A very soft, kind of subtle vocal. I was hoping that he kind of like opened up and belted a little bit at a certain part, and kind of just let us hear a little bit more of his voice. But obviously a reference to the Phoenix, I believe, rising from the ashes, like the Birds. So that's what I got out of that one. I didn't understand all the random numbers he was calling out. I'm sure there's some kind of meaning to that one. But that's why I went 8.9 out of 10. Please support the band any way possible. Go to facebook.com/Katatonia. Like their page, follow them, and hopefully consider clicking the subscribe button for my channel so you never miss any of these reactions. I think we're nearing almost 5,000 of them, which is crazy. What? I'm live on Twitch 5 times a week, 3+ hours a day. Twitch.tv/localbandsmokeout. Please join me. Especially if you have a particular artist that you'd like us to check out, any genre. And we always have guests, prizes, trivia, and punishments. Twitch.tv/localbandsmokeout. Other than that, I am your host, is High the Most BG, saying cheers, keep blazing,
Smoke weed
and
every
peace.
day.
I'll catch you guys next time.
Hey, what's up, guys? I'm Gypsy Lee.
I'm Matt Gerber, and we are Scarlet and Harmony.
For fans of bands like Thy Order's Murder,
Infinite Annihilator,
Lorna Shore,
Fit for an Autopsy, please feel free to check us out at Scarlet and Harmony on YouTube, Spotify, and anywhere else you may stream music.
we'd really appreciate it. Hope you meet them.